Now let's try to answer the question of when
Mm,
the stock might respond. And this is tricky because you're trying to get in investors' heads. One way to do it is to say, okay, when is the earnings going to show up as year-over-year growth?
mm,
Well, if you look at that, then you're looking at Q1 of 2026 for year-over-year growth. That's anything exciting. It jumps up to over 100% in Q1 of 2026. So you say, okay, 2025, based on that's a throwaway year.
mhm,
And I would say, don't be so sure. Let's go to the next slide. This is now looking at quarter over quarter. Q1 on here, the first blue bar, looks kind of rough. Quarter over quarter is going to be down and down big, potentially. Okay. Look at Q2. Of course, now we have an easy comparison. We've got a low
mhm.
quarter and then a recovery. So that number is pretty solid. It looks like it's in the mid 20s, quarter over quarter growth. But look how it continues, right? So if Tesla can start producing quarter over quarter growth, that will get people kind of excited.
Mhm.
And particularly if that quarter over quarter growth accelerates, like you're seeing there in late 26, early 27.
Yeah.
So just keep that in mind. Like we don't necessarily need to see year over year growth for people to get excited about what's happening at Tesla. Quarter over quarter changes may do it too.
Well, that's what happened in NVIDIA, right? It was quarter to
Yeah.
quarter. They just every quarter they kept raising guidance,
Yeah.
and then they just kept blowing that guidance out, and then they kept showing continued, and so then people go, okay, this stock is worth it.
Yeah.
Keep raising it. Hmm.
Right. And you can see Tesla in the last couple of years has had one quarter up, one quarter down, one quarter up, one quarter down.
Hmm.
Right. So it's been a bit of a sideways chop. But you start to get quarter over quarter every single quarter, that's going to get Wall Street's attention. So I don't know if I can definitively say when the stock is going to start moving and, double and all that kind of stuff. I don't know. I